So guys, the Xiaomi Redmi Note 9 that I have here is a successor to the Xiaomi Redmi Note 8 of last year, and I've been using the Xiaomi Redmi Note 9 for a while now as my daily driver. And in this video I'm going to be giving you my full review of the Xiaomi Redmi Note 9. What's up guys, it's Michael from Meta Unboxing. We are happy to make decision in buying budget smartphones like this and gadgets. If you are new here, kindly turn on the subscribe button below and turn on post notification. The Xiaomi Redmi Note 9 has a 6.53-inch IPS LCD display protected by Corning Gorilla Glass 5. The hole punch cutout for the selfie camera is placed on the right, and the hole punch cutout is a little bit big, and there is an uneven backlighting around it, and it is pretty visible when there is something white on the screen. During media consumption, sharpness is decent and contrast is good. Colors aren't top notch, but you can make it better in the settings. The only thing that will set you back in the Xiaomi Redmi Note 9 display is the brightness, which is capped at 370 nits when you are using the slider, but you can get up to 450 nits when you turn on auto brightness. I had problem using the display outdoors. If you notice during my gaming review on this device, my hands weren't stable because it was hard for me to see the gameplay under direct sunlight when I was shooting outdoors. Watching YouTube videos on here is capped at 1080p, and while watching video content through the default media player, there is always a big black bar that always shows up. The Xiaomi Redmi Note 9 is made out of Corning Gorilla Glass 5 at the front with plastic frames and a glassy back. At first I thought the back was made out of glass, but after using it for a while I noticed it was plastic, and it doesn't feel cheap when you're holding it in the hand. The Redmi Note 9 feels a little bit heavy when the included case in the box is worn on it and the buttons are placed rightly. Also, the chins and bezels are a little bit large. By the way, the Xiaomi Redmi Note 9 is a fingerprint magnet. That's why Xiaomi included a black case inside the box to protect this device. The Xiaomi Redmi Note 9 comes in two storage options, which are the 3GB 64GB of internal storage and 4GB 128GB of internal storage. There is also a support for an external storage through an SD card, that is if you need any. In case you'll be getting the Xiaomi Redmi Note 9 after you watch this review, please kindly spare a few dollars to get the 4GB of RAM and 128GB of internal storage to enjoy the experience on here on the Xiaomi Redmi Note 9. This device packs a massive 5020 mAh battery, which can take you through a whole day, and there will still be enough juice to take you through the next half of the day if you are not a heavy user like me. And when your device is about to power off, you can use a 22-watt fast charger included inside the box to juice up this device in less than 2 hours. Also, you can use the Redmi Note 9 as a power bank to share battery to other devices. Team Apple. Sounds coming out of the Xiaomi Redmi Note 9 is a little bit flat, and this is how it sounds. There are various ways which you can unlock your Xiaomi Redmi Note 9, which are well-known PIN pattern and password. Also, we have the fingerprint scanner, which is flushed into the back of the device, and there is a less secured face unlock, and you can swipe up after your face has been recognized. For those of you that like numbers, here is the result of Geekbench. It had a 344 for single core score, while for multi-core it had 1196. This device runs on Android 10 out of the box with Xiaomi's MIUI 11 slapped on top of it. The Xiaomi Redmi Note 9 has the MediaTek Helio G85 12nm chipset, which handles tasks pretty well, paired with the Mali G52, which helps in graphics and gaming. If you want to see how the Xiaomi Redmi Note 9 handles gaming, I made a gaming review, and you can check that out. Links will be in the description and in the iCard. Also, there is a game hub which makes it easy for you to have access to all your games and enable customization during your gaming experience. You can plug in a 3.5mm headphone jack if you are not into truly wireless earbuds. In the camera department at the front, we have a 30MP f2.3 standard camera that shoots 1080p videos with no image stabilization and have soft looking images, while at the back we have a quad camera setup which consists of a 48MP f1.8 wide camera, 8MP f2.2 118-degree ultra wide camera, 2MP f2.4 macro camera and a 2MP f2.4 depth sensor. Sadly, there is no 4K, but there is electronic image stabilization at 1080p. So guys, this is a front-facing camera test of the Xiaomi Redmi Note 9, and let me know your thoughts in the comment section below of what you think about the video quality and the audio quality. See my face looking soft. In conclusion, the Xiaomi Redmi Note 9 has a pretty looking design, a massive 5000 mAh battery, a good gaming chipset, and a not so bright display. So who is the Xiaomi Redmi Note 9 for? The Xiaomi Redmi Note 9 is for those people that want good performing chipset on a low budget for gaming. Hope you guys enjoyed today's review of the Xiaomi Redmi Note 9. If you like it, kindly hit on the subscribe button below, like, comment and share, and I'll see you on my next video. Peace.